Hello students, welcome back to Sarosh Digital Learning. Students, we are going to take a new concept and new property today. So it is very important for 9th and 10th point of view. So let's start our new topic and new video today. Today we are going to learn congruence of triangle. There's a 4 important property. You can call it as a test also. Okay. So the first, we'll just see the first one. In a correspondence, if two angles of triangle ABC are equal to two angles of triangle PQR and the sides included by the percentage pairs of angles are also equal, then the two triangles are congruent. It means two triangles are given here, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. See here, corresponding angle B and corresponding angle Q are congruent here. See the similar sign here also. Okay, and the side BC and side QR is also similar because of their identical sign also, and also angle C and angle R are similar here. So this property is also called as angle side angle property. See, angle side angle, which is in short we can write as ASA test. A means angle, S means side, and A is angle. So angle side angle test we can call it as. If two angles and one side is given, so the property is known as angle side angle test. Okay. Now just look at the second one. In correspondence, if two sides of triangle ABC are equal to two sides of triangle ABC PQR and the angles included by the percentage pairs of sides are also equal, then the two triangles are congruent. And this property is called as side angle side test. See here, side AB and side PQ with the identical mark are equal and congruent. Similarly, here also side BC and side QR. See, the two identical marks are there. It means two sides are equal and one common angles are equal here, congruent. So with this property is known as side angle side test. Okay, this property is known as SAS test. In short, we can write SAS test. Okay, understood? It's very simple, very easy. In a correspondence, if three sides of triangle ABC are equal to three sides of triangle PQR, then the two triangles are congruent. It means what? Both the corresponding sides of the three sides of a triangle are equal, then this sides is known as side test. It means side AB is congruent to side PQ. See the identical mark. Similarly, side BC is congruent to side QR because of their identical marks. And the third one is side AC is congruent to side PR because of their identical marks. So this property is called as side test, which in short we can write as SSS test. So it's very simple and easy to understand. And the last property is, if in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle B and angle Q are right angle triangles. See here, angle B because of their right angle triangle sign here 90 degree. So angle B and angle Q are right angles. Hypotenuse is also equal. See here, AC and here PR with their identical marks because of their hypotenuse. This side is also equal. Then AB is equal to PQ. Again, AB is equal to PQ. This side is also equal. Then the two triangles are congruent, and this property is known as hypotenuse side test. It is only happens in the right angle triangle case. Okay, if two right angle triangle is there, so the property is called the hypotenuse side test. Okay, so these are the 4 tests we need to understand. This property is there in the 10th standard also. Okay, so let's have some activities there in the practice set 3.2. In each of the following examples given below, a pair of triangles is shown. Equal part of triangles in each pair are marked with the same sign. See, the same sign marking is there on both the triangle. Observe the figures. You have to look at the figures and state the test by which the triangle in each pairs are congruent. You have to identify that these triangles, because of their identical signs, which test and which each pair are congruent or not, and by which test. Okay, so some activities there. So I already written in the notebook also. So let's have and check out in the notebook, and with the presentation you have to prepare also in this case. So in each of the given example, now triangle ABC and triangle PQR. See, AB is corresponding to PQ because of the identical sign here. BC is corresponding to QR again because of the two identical sign is there, and AC is corresponding to PR because of their identical sign. So this triangle ABC and triangle PQR is by which test? By side test, yani ke SSS test. It is in the congruent form. Okay, so we can also write here also SSS test here also. Okay, so it's very simple and very easy to understand. Now let's have the second one now. Second one also is very simple. Okay, see here. Now triangle XYZ and triangle element. See, one side and one side are equal, and again one angle and one angle are congruent, and similarly one more side YZ and YZ. It means side angle side test. It means side angle side test. It means SAS test. Okay, so triangle XYZ is congruent to triangle element. Okay, so it's very easy and very simple to understand also by looking at the figures and their identical marks. Now here also in this case PRQ and STU, in triangle PRQ and STQ, one identical side is given here and two angle is there. So it means angle side angle test. Okay, so in the short form we can write angle side angle test. So triangle PQR is congruent to triangle STU. And here also fourth one is very easy to understand because of their 90-degree property. Okay, LN and PR are the hypotenuse. So in this case, triangle LMN is congruent to triangle PQR, and by which test? By hypotenuse side test. So we have to write here by hypotenuse side test. Okay, so these are the four activities and it's very simple and very easy to understand. So now let's go back to the next questions now. In the 3.2 practice set, some more activities are there on the page number 32. In the question number 2 also, two activities are there in terms of solution here. Okay, then we'll take the third question, fourth question, fifth and sixth question. Now see here also, we have to observe the figures and whatever the informations are given below. State the test by which the two triangles are congruent and write the remaining congruent parts of the triangle. So activities are there. We just need to fill up the 4 boxes here and let us understand also what are the solution says that. So it is also written in the notes also in the notes form. So now let's check it out here. Now here we have two triangles. Okay, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. It is written here. Now angle ABC and angle PQR, it is already there. Okay, then segment BC and segment QR, because the same sides are there. Then angle ACB here and here also PRQ angle. Okay, so both this triangle, that is triangle ABC, is congruent to triangle PQR. Now see here, this is side, this is angle, this is side and this is angle. So by which test? Angle side angle test. So we have to write here ASA test. Okay, first is angle, second is side and third is angle. So side angle side test. Okay, here also angle side angle test. Okay, now see here, angle BAC is congruent to dash corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Now see here, angle BAC. Now BAC is moving like this. So our next angle is QPR. Okay, so next angle is also corresponding angle QPR. Okay, we need to pay attention here also. Now your segment AB is congruent to box is there. Now sides of congruent triangle. Now see here, where is segment AB is here. So corresponding side of segment AB is PQ. So we need to write here segment PQ. Okay, it's very simple. And box congruent to segment PR. Now look at the segment PR. Where is segment PR? Segment PR is here. So next box we need to fill it here by looking at segment AC. So we need to write here segment AC. Okay, so it's very easy and very easy concept, but it's a very important concept as far as the exam point of view. Now let's take the second activity now. Okay, now in the second activity also, from the same information shown in the figure, in triangle PTQ, now triangle PTQ here and triangle STR. Okay, PT, see PT, two identical sides. So ST, we need to move from STR and here PTQ. Now segment PT is congruent to segment ST because of their identical sign. Both the congruent sides are equal. Then angle PTQ, now angle PTQ and angle STR because of their vertically opposite angle. Okay, is both the angle are vertically opposite. So angle PTQ is congruent to angle STR. Now segment TQ and congruent to segment TRC, TQ and TR because of one identical line. Now see here which test we need to take here. This is side, this is angle, and this is side. So triangle PTQ is congruent to triangle STR by side angle side test. Okay, by side angle side test. Now look at the triangle here, angle TPQ. Now how it is moving, angle TPQ. So the next angle we need to take here, TSR, not TPQ. So TSR we need to take here. So we need to write here TSR. Okay, because of congruent angles of congruent triangles. And angle TRS is given here. Now this box we need to fill out. Now look at the TRS. How it is moving? TRS here. So the next angle we need to take is TQP. So we need to write here TQP. Okay. Now corresponding side of congruent triangle again segment PQ. Now segment PQ is here. So we need to take the segment RS or SR. Okay. So we need to take segment RS. You can write SR also. Okay. So this the first two questions in the form of activity. Okay, so I hope you understand this video. If you like the video, please share your comment and complete your notes in the form of written one. Okay, so thank you very much. Thanks for watching once again, Sarosh Digital Learning.